Have a nice day, my beloved followers. I'm back to share another tutorial that I'm sure you will learn something, because in this video I'm going to teach you how to protect our Android applications from modders. All we need is to encrypt the app name string. If you are interested in our topic today, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button first and please select all of the notification bell to notify you of my next video. Let's get started, guys. The first thing we will do is to build empty projects. You can also apply this to your VPN applications, it's the same. That's it, we haven't put any Java code. So now let's put it on. Just follow me in what I'm going to do, because I won't put it in the description because it's only a little code. In the set message, it's up to you what text message you put that you want the modifiers to read. We have put the guy's code. The alert dialog will only pop up if they try to change the name of the APK. As an owner, let's just try to change the name in string.xml so you can see if it works. So guys, the code we put in did work. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you very much for watching.